Hello, friends. Are you interested or thinking about purchasing a home over here in Orlando, Central Florida area, but your FICO credit is less than perfect, let's say in the low 500s, and you think that's the reason keeping you from becoming a homeowner? On this video, I'm going to share with you the hacks that can open the doors and make you a homeowner and help you be able to purchase your new home. Hi friends, my name is Mike Najan. I'm a realtor and a loan officer here in Orlando, Florida. On this video, I'm gonna share with you the information that will allow you and help you to become a homeowner, even if you think that your credit is really low and is less than perfect. As a matter of fact, if you are serious about making a move and becoming a homeowner, like, comment, and subscribe or get in touch, and I will share with you a personalized checklist roadmap for you to become a homeowner. Without further ado, let's go in. The big myth in real estate or financing is actually that you need a perfect credit score in order to get approved or pre-approved and purchase your home. People think that you need about 700 and above. Actually, the reality is that you only need as little as 580 to qualify for an FHA loan. Of course, most lenders and builders will like to see at least 600. Yet, I have helped many home buyers that have bought homes even in the low 500s. Of course, you might need a little more money down when your credit is in the low 500, but there is still a way to purchase your home. So what is it that the lenders are really looking for on the buyers to give you the money, so to let you borrow the money so you can purchase your home? Let's dig in, and I will tell you there are things that you might not even be aware, such as your income, your job history, obviously, your debt to income ratio, which means your income versus your reported expenses on your credit report, and obviously the payment consistency. For those of you who have a full-time job, obviously your monthly income would count in as your average income. If you have some variable pays, bonuses, or additional income, it might be counted in, but we have to average, the lender has to average in 2 years time frame. And the low credit is not actually a problem if you're having income that's being reported on your bank statements. Then there is also programs that allow you to get financing as a non-qualifying program using your bank statements. So if you have income that's being reported only on your bank statements, I can help you also get financing with bank statements. Of course, I assume that you might be a business owner and you will need to present between 12 to 24, which means 1 or 2 years of consistent bank statements to show your income, analyze it, and get a better debt to income ratio or a monthly average income. Throughout the years, I have helped many buyers with low FICO credit score, and I have analyzed many credit reports. And with this experience, what I can tell you is that more often than not, when your credit score is really low, it's typically because of the main reason of using your total available credit more than 30%. So the goal here to help you boost your credit and increase your points by 20, 30, or even more points in the short term, but between 60 to 90 days, it might be really worth to take a look at your credit report, analyze your actual debts, the debt usage, if you're using more than 30%, and also you want to check on which accounts are being reported on your credit report. So maybe you have low balances that you can pay off, and this will also generally help you with the debt to income situation, paying off some credit cards or reducing the balance to less than 30% on the available credit or the line of credit available might help you to boost your credit and improve your credit score a big time. So, which ones are the best homes that you should be focusing on if you want to purchase your home with low FICO score? Let's say you are a renter and you really want to get rid of the rent payments and expense and you want to become a homeowner. The type of home I suggest that you start browsing would be obviously houses that are being built by the builder, and work with the builder's lender, because more often than not they will have flexible programs and incentives that will help you to achieve your goal of becoming a homeowner. And then there is another category of homes that you can also look at, which is the resale homes or the second market. For those homes, I strongly recommend you don't focus on the homes that are being just listed in the market that have less than 30 or 45 days, because obviously we're all humans and sellers want to sell their homes for the highest price possible in the short term. Yet there is a few or a lot of homes in the inventory out there that have been sitting in the market for more than 3-6 months, and on those cases it's very feasible, or you can bet that you will find motivated sellers that also will be willing to give you and help you with the closing costs and work with your lender to create incentives and flexible programs that will allow you to become the homeowner you want to be. So Mike, what's the best roadmap or route that I should follow to become a homeowner in the shortest term? The best way I can recommend to you, my friend, would be obviously to get in touch with a professional just like me, somebody that has the goodwill to help you, and actually get a soft pull for your credit. That way you will see what accounts, what's in your credit, and how to tackle the different account balances that you might have, and obviously analyze your debt to income ratio and determine which accounts are worth to pay off, to negotiate or bring down the balance. In the other hand, you can also, with this tool in your hands, you can also set a budget and analyze how much money do you actually need to start saving to put it towards the purchase of your home. Once you have a definite budget and you know the debt to income ratio and have these tools, you will actually be able to get pre-approved, start shopping for homes that are in the scope of your monthly budget, and you can probably get to the point where you can actually make offers, purchase the home, and move in. That being said, my friend, don't ever be embarrassed. Don't be holding back on yourself. Make sure you communicate and get in touch with a professional that can help you. Everyone's situation is unique, and everyone's situation deserves a time to analyze it and make sure that you are taking the right steps towards the purchase of your home. Once you make this decision of reaching out, connecting with a professional just like me, and getting the proper guidance to purchase your home, you will be in the best direction. At least that decision will put you in the route to become a homeowner. It might take you 3 months, 6 months, a year or 2, but the act of reaching out and working with a coach or a lender or somebody that will be willing to guide you like me will make the total difference in your life, because instead of just paying and expending money on rent and having no budget and not having any idea of where to go, the right sense of direction will help you to take the right action and put you in the right direction. So don't wait. Waiting time is just wasting time. My job obviously is not to judge you on your previous actions. My job is to actually analyze your unique situation and help you put together an action plan, as I call it, so that you can start taking the right action and budgeting and helping you to analyze your finances so that you make the best choices going forward. So don't be afraid, don't waste more time. Make sure you reach out and get in touch with me. I'm available on WhatsApp. You can comment, like, and subscribe to stay in touch. I thank you so much for watching my video and have a blessed day.